Welcome to Yes Kid Educational Channel.
What time did you wake up?
I woke up at 7 o'clock.
Did you brush your teeth?
Yes, I did.
Have you taken a shower?
Not yet, Mom.
What will you eat for breakfast?
I will eat eggs and bread.
Are you getting late for school?
Yes, a little.
Where is your school bag?
It's in my room.
Did you finish your homework?
Yes, I finished it last night.
What time will your class start?
At 8:30 a.m.
Are you wearing your uniform?
Yes, I'm ready.
Do you want lunch for school?
Yes, please.
How was your day at school?
It was good.
What did you learn today?
I learned a new math topic.
Did you eat your lunch?
Yes, I did.
Who is your best friend?
My best friend is Ollie.
Did you play at school today?
Yes, I played football.
Do you have homework today?
Yes, a little.
When will you do your homework?
After I rest for a while.
Are you tired?
Yes, very tired.
Do you want some snacks?
Yes, thank you.
What would you like to eat?
I want some biscuits and juice.
Are you hungry?
Yes, I'm very hungry.
What do you want for dinner?
I want rice and chicken.
Do you want water or juice?
Juice, please.
Did you wash your hands?
Yes, I did.
How is the food?
It's very tasty.
Would you like some more?
No, I'm full.
What's your favorite food?
I love pizza.
Did you eat your vegetables?
Yes, I did.
Why didn't you finish your milk?
I don't like the taste.
Are you studying?
Yes, I am.
What subject are you studying?
I'm studying science.
Do you need help?
Yes, with this question.
When is your test?
It's tomorrow.
Are you ready for it?
Almost ready.
Did you complete your project?
Yes, I finished it today.
What grade did you get?
I got an A.
I am proud of you.
Thank you, Mom.
Do you want to play outside?
Yes, I do.
With whom will you play?
With my friends.
Be careful.
I will, Mom.
When will you come back?
In 1 hour.
Where is your ball?
It's in the backyard.
Can I come with you?
Yes, please.
Let's go to the park.
Yay, I'm excited.
Did you enjoy playing?
Yes, very much.
Did you get hurt?
No, I'm fine.
Come back before dark.
Okay, Mom.
Have you taken a bath?
Not yet.
Change your clothes.
I will now.
What do you want to watch on TV?
I want to watch cartoons.
Just one show. Okay.
Okay, promise.
It's time for dinner.
Coming, Mom.
Are you sleepy?
A little.
Brush your teeth before bed.
Okay, I'm going now. Thanks for watching. For watching more educational videos, please find the link given in the description box and subscribe to our channel.